and lovely. Welcome back to the Chef Ricardo cooking program. Well, someone requests if I can make some coleslaw, which I'm gonna do now. Life is a little bit more easier now. It's not like before when we used to be using knife and cutting the cabbage. Now we got grater where you can use this side of the grater to grate your cabbage. If you notice the amount of cabbage right there I have is almost 3/4 of a cabbage, of a medium small cabbage and a medium sized carrot. And also I'm putting piece of a pepper, red, yellow and green pepper. I'm gonna put some spring onion and some white onion right in it. I got some sweet corn, and remember I'm already cut up my pepper, just a little piece of both sides I'm using inside of the coleslaw to make it a nice lovely Jamaican coleslaw. Well, I got some mayonnaise and also some sour cream which you're going to put inside of it to bring up the flavor, and hopefully you guys will love it. So first of all, what you need to do is to get your cabbage and grate it, as I say, and this side of the grater. If not, you can cut it if you got the patience to cut it. So right here, I finished grating my cabbage, looking lovely inside of the bowl, like I cut it. Then next, I'm gonna grate the carrot. So I finished my carrot. Lovely. All you need to do is give it a little mix like this to see if it needs more carrot. So that one carrot I believe is enough for it. Nice one. I'm gonna put in some sweet corn and also some mixed pepper. Lovely. And also we put in both of that already. What we're gonna do now is simple. Make sure you cut your white onion into some very small pieces in dices. Half of a white onion, cut up it very small. And some spring onion. Inside of it. Lovely. Give it a mix. And also we're gonna put a pinch of you can use either white sugar or brown sugar, and you just put in a pinch of white sugar inside of it. Little bit of coarse pepper, cracked pepper. Give it a mix. Look inside of it, you can serve it looking lovely and nice. So let's get the mayonnaise on the salad plate. So 1 large spoon, 2 large spoon, 3 large spoon, another large one, another large one. Next, some sour cream, and give it a nice little mix like this. so beautiful. Nice. Looking lovely. So this is finished. I'm just gonna scrape it inside of this plate for you guys to put it on a serving table. So that's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Beautiful coleslaw. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and this is a nice, lovely Jamaican coleslaw with the sweet corn peppers and spring onion. That's really nice. Hopefully you will love it, and if you like it, please leave your comments, guys. It's a very nice recipe, and you can use it for your Christmas also, something different. So enjoy the recipe as I show you how to make a Jamaican coleslaw. Nice recipe today from Chef